It's my first time here, and I'm very happy to be here and discover this amazing film festival. I think it's great that we are able this year, especially, to be here and to keep something physical and also to have something digital. It's amazing how all the organization took this situation to make something different this year, and I'm very happy again to get a film here and be able to attend this ceremony tonight. So I represent today the short film White Eye. I'm the sales agent of this film. I discovered this film in March for a festival. The film was selected, and it's amazing how this film can just show a real situation in Israel and about immigration. And the thing that I like really in this film is the way that it could be a universal story. And the fact that it's also a real story created by the director himself, like he lived this story and he was about to just show a reality in Israel. I think it's very powerful, and I really trust the fact that if you created something with your heart, it resonates everywhere and for everyone.